आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, अगर जो मैं बोलूँ टू फाइंड द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दीज 4 क्वेश्चंस 1 2 3 4 in just 2 seconds, will you able to do? You'd have studied a lot big method in NCERT and as well as in your 12th standard. So if you go through that method, it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. But here I have a shortcut for you which will be helpful in the competitive examinations like JEE, NDA, CTET, Air Force, Navy and many more examination where integration is a part of syllabus. So friends, if you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel, like the channel and share with the friends who are preparing for the same examination so that it can help them to a great extent. So friends, अब हम बढ़ते हैं अपने शॉर्टकट की ओर जिसके माध्यम से आप you will be able to solve these questions in just 2 seconds. Yes friends, you heard it right, just 2 seconds. So friends, इसके लिए पहले क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेट ये होना चाहिए। ये देखिए, इंटीग्रेशन ax plus b by cx plus d. Then answer is simply ax by c, this one minus ad minus bc. Ad, this is our a, this is our d. We will multiply this both minus we will multiply this both. Okay, we will do, it is a kind of cross multiplication method by c square. Whatever is c, we will put square in the denominator. Then log mod of cx plus d. Whatever it is in the denominator, we will just put it here and plus c. This is the required answer. So for better understanding, I would take few examples so that it stayed in your mind for a long period of time. अब बढ़ते हैं एग्जाम्पल की ओर। जैसे कि our first example is here. Example says that integration 4x plus 7 by 2x plus 5. This is our example number 1. So here answer is simply what we need to do first here, ax plus c. Here ax plus c. Then what is ax here? Ax is 4x and what is c? 2. So it will become 4x by 2. And after that, what is answer? Minus. So here also we will put minus. Then by cross multiplication method, we will find AD minus BC. So here AD 5 4 ja 20 minus 7 2 ja 14. So 20 minus 14, it will become 6 by C square. What is C here? 2. What is the square of 2? It will become 4. Then log mod of Cx plus D. What is cx plus d? 2x plus 5. So it will become 2x plus 5 plus c. And this is our required answer. So friends, how simple it was that we were able to solve in just 2 seconds. Now here I am taking for explanation, it is taking time. But when you start to solve in mind, no, it will take just 2 seconds. Sorry. Our next example is here. Integration mod of 7x minus 15 by 4x plus 11 dx. Then here again we will follow the same rule, ax by c. What is ax? 7x by 4 minus cross multiplication 11 7 ja 77. Then here it 15 4 ja minus 15 4 ja minus 60. So minus it will become plus. So 77 plus 60 by c square. C is here 4. So 4 square will be 16. Log cx plus d. Cx plus d is 4x plus 11. 4x plus 11 plus c. So here after entire calculation we get an answer this one. 7x plus 4 minus 137 by 16 log of 4x plus 11 plus c. So friends, how was the trick today? You give feedback in the comment. So now I have got few homework questions for you. Answer these questions using that shortcut and tell how much time you took at the starting and how much time with practice how much time you are taking. So friends, give feedback about the video in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe the channel, share with your friends who are preparing for the various examinations as I mentioned earlier, because it is going to reduce a lot of time during exam time and it will even reduce a kind of stress to them if they solve using these kind of tricks. And here time saving is more important, so time always also will be saved. Thank you.